and welcome. So you have placed order for the products that you love from Amazon, but you are not sure when they will arrive in your place. So you don't feel quite relaxed until the products arrive at your place and you can start using it. Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can track order of ours in Amazon. Well, that's pretty easy. Once you go to your returns and order after you have signed in to your Amazon account, click on it. Now this page will display all the orders that you have placed in Amazon. Select one of the orders and it will display a page something like this. Alright, once you've done it, at the right hand side, you can see track package option. If you select it, there you have all the information about when the package will be delivered or which stage of the shipping is your package in. Also, do note that the different items in your order may have different delivery dates. So have an expectation likewise. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.